It takes a spark, takes a spark, takes a spark, takes a spark. You have to cut off the past.
Ya hablo de mi
Once
propia
I
experiencia.
let go
Una vez que dejas ir
of the past and of the
el
pain,
pasado y el dolor,
I was able to see further.
You can't just say, I am. It has to be backed up with work.
What people are missing is the mindset. If your mind is not right, if you're not completely focused, if you don't have the right energy, you're going to fail.
I had to spark something in me, a fire that has not gone out since 1995.
This weekend is the death of a brand and the rebirth of a new revolution. And this weekend, I Am Mastery Academy, as you know it, shall die. In the world of success, it's those who disrupt become the most successful.
Stop trying to do the same thing over and over again and just try to find a different path, because sometimes you put your head against the wall and you're trying to go through the wall when you can step backwards and see that there is a door to walk through.
iMarkets Live disrupted the entire network marketing and financial education arena. We did something that's never been done before, which led us to changing the lives of millions around the world. In a world where you disrupt, you're always going to be copied, and we were. However, we are here to disrupt one more time and do what nobody else is doing. Therefore, nobody can touch us. We now will dominate the industry. This time, the journey is bigger, stronger, unstoppable, with new tools, new insight, and a vision that will transform the way we learn, grow, and succeed. The landscape has changed, and so have we. We're here to challenge expectations, transcend borders, and create something that moves beyond industries, something that moves people. The world is ready for what's to come next. The question is, are you? This isn't just a new chapter. It's a new era. A new revolution, an evolution born from passion and empowered by innovation. The spark that started it all has grown into a fire, and the light from that fire will illuminate our path into the future. The next step is here. It's time to disrupt the industry once again. Welcome to the future. Welcome to Iyovia.